Hey guys, Frisian here. We're gonna do a quick video replacing the rotors and brake pads of the front, the 2012 Honda Accord. Alright, so here's the brake pads and the rotor. To remove it, give it a couple smacks so you can break loose. There's two bolts right here. They're Phillips. If they're stripped or anything, just use a drill bit to take them out. Okay, that's the only way. Clean your surfaces at the back on the wheel bearing hub, just so the brake pad can go in nice and smooth. Back here, you're gonna have a 14mm holding the brake caliper, and brake caliper bracket are a 17mm, and the hardware was not changed because the customer didn't purchase that. They only brought the brake pads, so we gave it a quick clean and off it goes. So we're gonna put the wheel back on, and that's it. All right guys.